Hello, beautiful people of Forever, and I welcome you to April's Forever Matters. I'm Kate Terenchimet, Country Sales Manager of Mongolia, a home of Great Genghis Khan and country of deep blue sky. We are located in Central Asia, right between Russia and China. Our staff and our FBO, we are really excited with the new place and new location, so let's go and check it out. We love to hear stories of love, success, and growth in Forever. And I want to introduce you to our FBOs, Sana and Egi. They just joined in 2023 and become senior managers, and then both qualified for Eagle managers in 2024. So it was an incredible event for office in Mongolia. So let's hear from them.
За бүгдээрээ энэ өдрийн мэндийг хүргэе. Намайг Боцгийн сайн жаргал гэдэг. Би Forever компани senior manager сурталтайгаар ажилладаг. 2023 онд анх энэ компани тухай мэдээллийг мэдрэлийн эмч найз хүүхнээс авсан. Тэгээ анх тэр үед нөгөө шийдвэр гаргаж чадахгүй Forever компани бүтээгдэхүүнийг маш олон хүн хэрэглэдэг болохоор энэ компанид миний байр суурьч гэдэг юм уу те энэ компанид ажиллах боломж айгүй бага байх гэж бодож байсан. Тэгээ яг энэ компанид ороод өөрөө гишүүнчил болоод яг энэ компани зорилгын төлөө ажиллаад Италийн Венец хотноо битгээд болохоор аяллаар шагнуулсан байгаа. Тэгээ анхны Eagle-ийг нөхөртөө хамт хоёулаа Eagle болж байсан. Forever компани Монголын түүхэнд анхных байсан. Хоёр дахь бит хоёрын зорилго болохоор юу вэ гэхээр яг энэ Францын аяллыг гэр бүлээрээ хийя гэд Францын аялал ногдлашиг авч үзье энэ компанид гэд баг хамт олноороо ярилцж байгаад өдөр ирэх тусам бүтээгдэхүүнүүдийн маань чанар үр дүн бид нарыг урамшуул зоригжуулж манай баг хамт олныг ташууруулж өгч байсан. За 2024 онд болохоор манай гэр бүлийн хувьд Global Rally-гийн болцол хангасан байгааг тэгэнгუთ энэ Forever компанид болохоор өөрсдөө эрүүл болохоос гадна санхүүгийн эрхчлөөнд мөн дэлхийг гэр бүлээр тойрох боломж байна. Тэгэхээр Forever компани үүд хаалга та бүхний өмнө нээлттэй байгаа учраас та бүхэн маань тавтай морилоорой.
Wow, what an achievement for Sana and Egi, and they also qualified for Chairman's Bonus qualifiers this year in 2025. Now let's check out our new office of Forever Mongolia. This is our sales area where all FBOs and customers come get all their favorite aloe vera drinks. And we cannot wait to get Global Rally new products here in Mongolia in May. And let's go to our seating area where FBOs spend their whole day until 8 p.m. every day except Sundays. Now let's go to our office for our staff. This is the office where our staff sit, and this is our meeting room. Say hi. Hi. Welcome to my office. And that's all from office in Forever Mongolia. And last year in 2024, we opened brand new sales areas in 2 different provinces of Mongolia. Now it's time to recognize our brand new GEM managers around the globe.
Efrat Wiesman, Feliz Kainab, Leila Mehrabi, Mustafa El Janati, Usama Fathala Al-Azri, Safora and Daniel Herbey. And now for our brand new Diamond Sapphire.
Congratulations to Giovanni and Adeliani Prachegis.
And now it's time to congratulate our brand new Diamond managers. First up, it's Shiho Yagama from Japan. Shiho has gone from sapphire to diamond in less than a year and has a powerful testimony of the aloe vera gel. And our second brand new diamond manager is Aliriza Malakuti Kar from the UAE. As well as achieving diamond this month, Aliriza is a 3.5k global rally and level 2 chairman's bonus qualifier and is building an incredible business in his hometown of Dubai. Congratulations to all our new GEM managers.
Thank you, Nick, and congratulations to all our brand new GEM managers around the world. What a great achievement. And now it's time to check in with Sierra on our updates from Rexmont Forever Given Foundation.
In March 2011, this adorable stuffed yellow creature made its debut. That same month, Japan was devastated by one of the most powerful tsunamis in its history. Forever Giving sprang into action, partnering with Forever Living Products to empty warehouses and mobilize distributors on the ground to help. But the support didn't stop there. At the Asian Rally in Kuala Lumpur, Forever Living Products donated 100% of the proceeds from every sale, along with Forever Giving t-shirt sales. These contributions went to the Central Community Chest of Japan, funding relief efforts in the hardest hit areas. Years later, the aloe baby remains a beloved icon within the Forever community, a reminder of a shared moment of generosity across the world.
Thank you, Sierra, for the updates. And now you're joining me with the posters from Harris and Eagle managers in Phuket. And I'm proud to say that for a small country like Mongolia, we had 20 amazing qualifiers for Eagle managers last year. And this year we have 8 great leaders also joining us to the global rally as a chairman bonus qualifiers. Now let's take a look at the top 10 list for March. Congratulations to everyone on top 10 list for the last month. Okay, we have lots of different products, but my most favorite is aloe leaves, Arctic sea, and aloe berry nectar. Let's hear from Holly more on these items.
Thank you so much, Kay. Hello, Forever family. Have you had your aloe today? If you haven't, consider trying aloe berry nectar to mix it up and to add some flavor to your day. This is a fantastic beverage, including a high amount of vitamin C, tart cranberry, and a little secret, if you mix in some sparkling water, it'll add a little bit of bubble to your day. Hope you enjoy.
Thank you, Holly, and thank you everyone for joining us this month from Mongolia. I hope you enjoyed it. And next month, we'll be passing to another country office around the globe. Until then, stay focused on what matters most to you.